Local news for Wednesday, the 15th of April. While jobs may be on the line for many, there are plenty still advertised across the region. From factory workers to professionals, there are currently 68 jobs listed on TradeMe and at least 25 on Seek. Schools across Wairarapa will return today, just in a very different form. Students from across the region will return to learning, with many undertaking online learning and some with hard copy packs. The Ministry of Education is also looking to provide internet access to hundreds of students with Chromebooks or iPads. Submissions on Masterton's annual plan close in just 5 days' time. Anyone wanting to make one is able to do so through the council website. Items of interest include Hendy Lake, the speed limit review, skate park upgrade and the contentious town hall. Urban recycling has also kicked off again. And the 3 district councils have taken steps for the future of rates. Late payment penalties have been waived. Payment arrangements and considerations, including postponements, are also an option for those suffering hardship. Councils around the country are also looking at other options. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.